everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today's video is going to be very interesting because we're going to design one of the simple machine which is called as pulley. Pulley is actually used in many different places. As an example, it is used in a well to take out the water very easily. Also, it is used in ropeways. It is used in cranes, and also it is used in many industrial and construction sites. And to make this pulley, we just need very basic set of material. We just need kind of a cardboard, basically, a glass, a stick, a bottle cap. All that is what we would need to make a pulley. So let us start designing this pulley. You can quickly grab your material as well, and let us start making this pulley. First of all, what we will be doing is we'll be taking this glass and we'll be use the diameter of this glass and make two circles. So you see, I've just designed the circles, and after that we will just cut both the circles from the cardboard. Now you can see my both the circles are ready. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the next step. And in the next step, what we will be doing is we'll have to make a hole inside the bottle cap, and also in that alignment we'll also have to make hole in the cardboards exactly in the center. And after that we'll be connecting them together, and it will become like a grooved wheel, which is like a pulley. That is how it will appear. So to make hole inside the bottle cap, I'm gonna make a use of incense stick. So I have a lighter. Please make sure you perform this activity under adult supervision. Make sure someone is there around with you while you're doing this activity, because we're using incense stick. So once the incense stick is just on, we will just try to make a hole exactly in the center. Now this hole should be such that we should be able to pass this stick that we have. So do not make holes so big. Just a little hole is what we need. And you see, I have made a hole. Let me just quickly check it out, that if I am able to pass this stick or not. And yes, I'm able to pass this stick very easily. Good. So we are good to go. Now exactly now what gently we will actually make sure that this goes off. So on any hard surface you just put it, and then it will go away. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this bottle cap, but before that we just actually make hole exactly in the alignment with the bottle cap in both the circles in the center. And I'm gonna use this two-side tape to stick the bottle cap, making sure that I align the hole. So for that I'll just simply make sure I pass the stick, and it will go in that alignment, and I will just simply stick the bottle cap very nicely. And now the same way I'll be putting a tape on another piece of cardboard, and I'll be sticking it on the other side, and this will become like a grooved wheel. यहाँ पर भी मैं दो जगह पर टेप लगा दूंगा साम सामने, so that the bottle cap sticks with the cardboard nicely. Now let us just simply pass it through the stick and connect it with the bottle cap. Wonderful. You see guys, it's just very beautifully connected. We'll just move a little bit up and down so it becomes a little smooth while we operate. I think this is good to go. Yeah, it's moving really very freely. So we are good to go with this pulley. Now the only thing that we're going to do is we're going to quickly connect this with the glass. We're going to make kind of a bucket with the glass. So for that I'll just have to make it hole at two places. I'll connect the thread, and then we will try to operate it. Start. अब ये मेरा छोटा सा bucket जैसा ready हो चुका है. अभी और एक thread में connect करूँगा exactly in the center. So which will use it to actually pull the bucket up. Exactly the same way in the well system we have it. And I'm going to pour some water inside. So that will become like a load that we will be trying to lift. And now simply what we need to do is we just put the pulley, and then this is very important. We just make one circle around the bottle cap, around the pulley, so that it stays there, and then we are able to lift the load very easily. You see guys, a very beautiful and a simple model of a pulley system. See, it's just working very smoothly. You must try this out. A very simple model to make it. And do share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel. keep on sharing what we are doing, because something that every child would love to do it. Thank you so much.